Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to allow the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings, so let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our video. I've just recorded it about the developer options, so you can learn more. After activating, just go back to the general settings and tap on the system. And here simply tap on the developer options. And right there, let's scroll down to find automatic system updates and turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. From now on, this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device, but you have to remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will have a chance to download the update and apply it. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.